I reached out to one of the family members, and the they reopened the probate because the PR was wasn't doing the job originally. So the case been filed in 2020. So they appointed the PR, and the PR was going to purchase the property in the estate, and they never did. And then after all, they stopped paying the mortgage on the property and property taxes. So they reopened the case, the family trying to remove the PR, and now refiling the whole thing. So they asked me a question because the current PR is living in the property. What to do with those people? So how to handle the guys? I told them as that would be a very nice idea to kind of peacefully to talk to them and ask them to maybe help them with the rental property somewhere and move them that way. But if they decide don't do anything, what is the usually the procedure for
Um,
that
hire an estate litigation attorney,
litigation attorney? Okay, that's the only
specifically one that deals with estates.
okay, got it.
Unfortunately, situations like this come up all the time. There's
Mhm.
and family, and normally an estate and trust attorney will specialize in litigation, and a lot of times that litigation estate litigation attorney doesn't do probate administration or trust creation. They just litigate.
Got it.
So I agree with you. Try to resolve it somewhat peacefully and maybe offer them some kind of cash for keys or financial incentive to bow out peacefully.
Mhm. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. Thank you.